If you ever wonder what tools a plumber usually carries around, you're about to get the lowdown on the must-haves that make fixing pipes and leaks way easier. Alright, so first off, every plumber needs a pipe wrench. It's like the go-to for gripping and turning pipes without messing them up. Then there's the plunger, which you definitely need for those stubborn clogs in toilets or sinks, you know? A pipe cutter is super helpful too, especially when you gotta cut through metal or plastic pipes cleanly. No rough edges. Teflon tape is a lifesaver for sealing pipe threads, so water doesn't leak out all over the place. Oh, and a pipe bender is clutch when you need to shape pipes just right without kinking them. Besides these, carrying some adjustable wrenches and channel locks is smart because they work on all sorts of fittings. A handy flashlight can't be forgotten either, because plumbing work often happens in tight, dark spots. Lastly, having a good set of screwdrivers and a tape measure helps keep everything precise and secure. One of the biggest mistakes people make when talking about plumbing tools is thinking a pipe wrench can do everything. It's powerful, but not for delicate jobs where you need a smaller wrench or pliers. Another common issue is skipping the use of Teflon tape when connecting threaded pipes, which causes leaks and ends up costing more in repairs. Thirdly, trying to bend pipes without the right pipe bender leads to messed up shapes and kinks that block water flow. Using the proper tool avoids this totally. BigHomeProjects.com is the spot where homeowners can find trusted local plumbing pros who actually know their stuff and won't rip you off. Plus, it's perfect for contractors looking to connect with clients who need real help with their big home jobs.